Hi Shari, I hope it's going well with the data consolidation that you're doing already. This task, we're going to call it the name of the table, the consolidation table. So it's called Social Cohesion Focus Group Discussion Consolidated Data. So you'll see that here at the top. I've gone ahead and created the entire format. So really all you have to do is take the data from the individual files that I'll send you and then put them into this table. So it's exactly the same as you've done before. In this one there's going to be 4 different tables. The first one is listed here, adult hosts, and if I go down you'll see there's two here. And it's listed by domain, and the domains are 1 through 18, starting with basic services, education, health, water supply, sanitation, and so on. When I say domain, I mean these 18 different domains. When I say focus group discussion, I'm talking about this is one focus group, this is another focus group here. I've given numbers to each focus group, and the number is linked to the file. So for example, you'll see here, I'll send you these ones. This is focus group 1, 2, 3, all the way till 7. Okay, and they're all different focus groups. Now each one of these has to be moved, the data from the domain, into this consolidated file. And how I want this done is I've put numbers on the top of each column. So for the first table, it's going to be the adult hosts. The first one, just leave it blank because that information is still coming. And this is focus group discussion number 4. Focus group discussion number 4. And I've already pre-populated this for you so you can see how it works. So number 4, you'll come to the file. You'll see the 4th file, number 4, is this information here. So I've taken all of this information and put it in the file already. Now your task is to carry on and do the same thing for all the rest of the files. So I'm going to scroll down. I'll show you table number 2. It's for youth hosts. You'll see the 18 domains are here. Focus group discussion number 3 and focus group discussion number 2. So you'll go to these files. Focus group discussion number 3 is here, and pull the information and move it to the consolidated form. Focus group discussion number 2 is here. I'm going to go down to table number 3. Same 18 domains are here. This is for IDPs, internally displaced people. This one just leave blank for now. That data is still coming. But number 5 and number 7 are here. Okay. The last table are for returnees. Same 18 domains. Focus group discussion number 6 and 1 are here. So move all of that data. Same process as before, but this is for focus group discussions. I hope that's clear. Call me if it's not clear.